Hi, my glorious chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. This is one of those videos in my new kitchen skills series. I will be posting really short clips describing basic kitchen skills. I needed to learn these things, so I'm hoping that I can help others learn as well. Every once in a while, I'll substitute the insides of a sausage when I don't have ground beef in the fridge. It's surprisingly plug and play with a lot of recipes. All you need to remove sausages from their casings are some sausages and a knife with a tip, not one that's rounded like a butter knife. Scissors will suffice. You could also even use the prongs of a fork too. Heck, maybe even the prongs of the corn on the cob holders. Hold your sausage so that the end faces up. Insert the tip of your knife into the end and slice through the casing. Then really all you need to do is pull or peel the casing off the meat. It might take another cut or two to make it the entire length of the sausage, or you could insert the knife into the end of the casing and slice it the entire length of the casing and then pull it apart that way. Then, once you have the inside separated from the casing, all you really need to do is mash this up when cooking, just as you would ground beef, by pressing it into it while cooking and breaking it up into smaller chunks. This is pretty straightforward. It's pretty much just cutting the sausage skin. I hope this helps someone and maybe opens your culinary minds to try new ways to incorporate sausage into your own recipes. It's really a great substitute for ground beef. I mean, everybody's trying to use ground turkey and ground chicken to be healthier, but ground sausage is delicious. Add it to your own meals. And anytime a recipe requires ground beef or ground anything, you can plug and play with other ground meats of your choice. If something calls for ground turkey, try ground beef. If something calls for ground veal, try ground sausage. It's up to you. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's start cooking. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.